Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Little Curves. It is again a DDD series and today I'm going to talk about different kinds of blouses which is very good for curvy brides as well as any curvy girls. So let's get started. Your main attention should be on your blouse fitting rather than the skirt or the लहंगा फिटिंग, क्योंकि लहंगा जो होता है ना वो फ्लेयर्स होते हैं उसमें, और इसलिए कोई भी लहंगा अच्छा ही लगता है जब इतना कैन अंदर लगा रहता है. द मेन अटेंशन विच यू नीड टू पुट इज ऑन टू द ब्लाउज. ओके, सो द ब्लाउज इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. द फिटिंग ऑफ अ ब्लाउज इज़ रियली वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. और ब्राइड्स टू बी या कोई भी नॉर्मल कर्वी गर्ल ये काफ़ी बार भूल जाती है. सो द नंबर वन टिप इज़, if you are uncomfortable with your tummy fat, or if you think that it doesn't look so nice, go for a long blouse. I am not pressurizing anyone. I am very much like against body shaming. But अगर आपको comfortable नहीं लग रहा या आपको लगता है कि ये दिखना नहीं चाहिए, so better go for a long one. The long one really looks nice, and today nowadays those are in trend. Okay, so the first tip was go for a long blouse. The second tip is you can go for a peplum blouse. Peplum blouse are really very much in. It looks very nice with sarees, और इनमें ना आपको थोड़ा पेप्लम का जो फ्रंट है उसमें स्लिट डालनी पड़ती है, ताकि वेन एवर यू प्लीट योर साड़ी प्लीट्स, वो प्लेट्स जो अंदर जाएंगी, दैट विल नॉट गिव यू लाइक अ बिग व्हाट डू यू से, इट विल नॉट मेक योर वेस्ट लाइन लुक वेरी बल्की. ओके, सो टू गिव इट वेरी नीट, आप थोड़ा सा सिर्फ स्लिट डालना अपने पेप्लन को ऑन द मिडल पार्ट. ओके, द फ्रंट मिडल सेक्शन. That will really help you to give a nice look to your साड़ी with a very beautiful shape. Like ऊपर से वो थोड़ा fitted रहेगा, फिर peplum जाएगा, so it will give a nice shape to your साड़ी also as well as your body. So it will really look nice and should be in trend. The third tip is the padded blouses. Now we as like curvy girls always prefer, just because it's in fashion, to go for a padded blouse, but unfortunately if you are going to your local tailors, or someone who is not so much trained into all this, we find very difficult a good fitting blouse which is padded one, and really these padded blouses are very difficult to handle later. So better you go for a good simple blouse, like a not non-padded blouse, just because आपको लगता है कि आपकी बैक दिखनी चाहिए एंड ऑल. द थिंग इज़ दैट ज़्यादा करके आपका दुपट्टा, इफ़ यू आर अ ब्राइड, आपका जो सर पे ओढ़ा हुआ दुपट्टा है वही आ जाता है, तो कुछ पीछे का दिखता है नहीं. एंड सेकेंड, इफ़ यू आर नॉट अ ब्राइड बट अ कर्वी गर्ल, अगेन आप हेयर स्टाइल बनाते हो, कभी कभार आप ऊपर नहीं बांधते अपना हेयर स्टाइल, और आप खुले बाल छोड़ते हो, स्ट्रेटन कर देते हो, या साड़ी पल्लू लेते हो, शॉल ले लेते हो, ऊपर से आजकल ब्लेजर्स पहनते, तो most of the time it's not even seen. So it is a waste of money, and it's very difficult to handle padded blouses. I have wasted a lot of money in that, and now I think it's good that you wear a fitted good bra and invest in a bra rather than a padded blouse, and go for a blouse which is really simple and easy to carry, even if we have heavy breasts. The thing is that कि ये padded blouses जो इंडिया में pads available हैं वो उतना coverage नहीं देते, तो it looks very shabby. Trust me, when you dance or when you hop, it looks very shabby in the front. So better you go for a non-padded one. Now comes the fourth tip. Now the fourth tip is the blouse sleeves. Sleeves are really very important. Don't get into too much of details onto the sleeves, just because then it makes this line more broader, and go for something which is very subtle towards the sleeve part. Even if it has heavy work on it, fine enough, but don't make it over, and with lots and lots of other laces you put on and make it more heavy, because it will give you a broader frame. Better go for something which is really very good and natural. Even if you can try, if you can ask your tailor, go for sleeves. The material should be not very heavy or brocade, or mostly it is silk material. But the thing is that अस्तर ज़्यादा मत layers लगाना when it comes to sleeves. Plus don't make your sleeves too tight. जब भी हम यहाँ से sleeves का measurement लेते हैं, we make it really feel very tight, तो ना उससे वो और heaviness ऊपर लाती हैं. It's better that the sleeves should be 2 to 3 inch loose. Then it will make your blouse look really very good. And also at the same time, now I'm combining it with the fifth tip, like towards your chest area, mostly don't prefer any heavy work, just because if you're wearing a sari, it will irritate those, and ज़्यादा करके साड़ियाँ इससे फट जाती हैं और उनका पल्लू खराब हो जाता है. So if you're wearing a lehenga also, see to it that how you will drape it. Understand your draping and then go for your blouse stitching. Okay, so first drape it nicely, roughly, and understand it how and how much your blouse will be seen, and then go for a blouse stitching. That is really very important. Now comes the another tip is, you can go, if you have a heavy dupatta also, better get it attached, get it a dupatta these days are attached through this area. I will post all the photos here or here. You can get an idea as to what I'm talking about. That will really look nice, and plus it will not make your neck look more bulky, because first you're wearing a nice heavy blouse and then a heavy dupatta on it, so it makes you look more broader. It will never make you look so much. So attached dupattas are really very in. Now if you can go for a full length blouse, not a short length one, you can make it look very nice through a nice belt. Now belts are these days are really very in, even with fusion wear as well as with Indian wears. You can style it up with a nice golden color belt, which really makes you look so good, and it gives a proper good shape to your body. And trust me, they are really very classy, so you can go for that. High neck, I would prefer not much, because if you are comfortable like me, I'm very comfortable in wearing high neck. It gives a nice line, but some says that high neck really makes you look more bulkier towards your chest area. Now it depends, okay? And if you can go for a high neck, go for it. Accessorize it with a good nice jewelry and you are good to go. Full sleeves, high neck, turtleneck during this winter season will really make you look more classy with a good sari, and it will give good shape to your curves. So that's really very good. And I don't know why people say that it gives you focus over here, but it's not that way. If you jewel it up with nicely good heavy jewelry and a good sari, your turtleneck will be perfectly fine for any wedding season. So that's what I feel. Okay, now comes the last tip is those cape blouses. Now cape blouses are very in, but you should see to it that cape is not very heavy, or else it will put more attention towards your chest area, and that you will not like much. So see to it that cape which you're wearing is very subtle. It is mostly nowadays organza is very much in. So organza cape will not look nice. A chiffon or a georgette cape will really look nice, but it shouldn't be very much heavy. Okay, so that thing, keep it in mind. Plus I would also suggest you to go for a organza sleeves blouse, where the blouse will be plain. Like if you have seen Zara crop tops these days, they are plain to onto your body area, but when it comes to sleeves, the sleeves are made of organza, and that looks so subtle. It gives you nice fluffy blouse like sleeves, but at the same time it takes in all the shape and pull out the attention from your chest area. So your attention will be more onto the sleeves, and rather the plain area will look subtle. This will really look nice with a lehenga or else a sari. Both it will look really very subtle and very good. And organza is in these days for sleeves. Okay, not for your, it can be like to drape a sari, organza saris, or else organza sleeves. You can really make it look very trending these days. And And these were all the tips, like very small little tips which I wanted to give when you plan your lehenga, or when you this wedding seasons, if you want to wear blouse or sari or lehenga, anything. These are the small tips for curvy girls, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. So do subscribe to my channel, hit the button like, and stay connected for more and more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.